Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Before the video starts, I gotta show my mobile designers some love in this video. I'm gonna show you guys how you can use a graphics pack and download one if you're on mobile. I know a lot of you guys aren't on mobile, but this is for those of you that are, to help you guys out because apparently there's no tutorials on this. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so once you are on my video, I'm going to show you two ways you can do it. If it's a PSD and if it's a folder, like the Essential Pack is, click on the MediaFire download. It'll take you to this MediaFire website. Don't click anything, just click the download button right here. And it says your download is starting. Now you can do anything you want. You can get out of this tab now if you don't want to be in it. It's downloading your file through whatever browser you're using. So I'm just going to wait for it to finish. I'm going to click on that download. And as you can see here, it's downloading. It's a pretty big file, so we're just going to have to wait for it to finish. Okay, so as you can see here, it is done, and it is a .zip file. So at least on Android, you can extract it super easily. If you're on Apple, I'm not too sure how you do it. I just clicked on the file, and I'm going to click extract at the bottom right. It might look different, but I'm sure you can extract it somehow. And if not, you can download a app called WinRAR on your phone and try it that way. Anyways, let's see. I'm going to replace it because I already have it downloaded. Replace it. Do this for all of them. So it's currently downloading all of the files to my pictures. Okay, it's done. So I'm going to hop on to Photopea on my phone and show you how to get them in. And this should work for any picture editor. As long as you can import images, it should work. So I'm just going to make a new project. And let's go up to File, Open and Place, click Files, go to Gallery. And as you can see here, here is all of the effects that are in the pack. So let's just bring in an arrow. So just click on that arrow. And here's the arrow. Super, super easy. You just do that for all of them. Open and Place. Don't forget it. That's how you do it. And you're good to go. Respect to all you mobile designers that use Photopea because I cannot figure out how to do it. It is confusing and it does, I don't know, it's pretty confusing. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how you can import a PSD now. We're gonna be using my retro graphics pack. Don't forget to check out both my graphics packs, Essential Graphics Pack and Retro, if you haven't already. Now we're just gonna click on the MediaFire and download it. Same process, it's downloading, so go ahead and click on it and wait for it to finish downloading. This one's going to take a bit, so I'll be back in a bit. Okay, so it is done, and I didn't realize I had a VPN on, so it was so slow. Make sure you don't have a VPN on when you're doing it, unless that's the only way. Now I'm going to go back into Photopea and show you what to do next. Alright, so once you're in, all you want to do is go up to File, Open, Files, click on the Retro Pack that you just downloaded. And here you go. You have access to everything from the pack. As you can see here, here is everything. And that's all there is to it. It's so easy. I hope this helped you mobile users out there. This should work for any photo editor, as I said before. So if you don't use Photopea, don't worry about it. Try doing it this way instead. And if you're on Apple, things might be different. So just keep that in mind. But hopefully you can find some way to extract it. If not, you can always try looking up how to extract files on Apple or iPhones or whatever. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.